Hello friends, welcome to SubVeggie. Today we are going to learn potato capsicum curry recipe. Aloo capsicum sabji is a very easy recipe. You can prepare in your daily menu, and this is another simple vegetable curry recipe using South Indian masala, which goes well with both the rice and chapati, and also go good with plain parathas or naan. And so you can keep this curry as a side dish for roti varieties in lunch box. And it is very simple, not only easy but fast cooking recipe. So in this recipe, potatoes and capsicum are saturated together with spices like garam masala, dried mango powder and coriander powder. I have not used dried mango powder, as added tomato puree, so you can add if you like, and it tastes best when it is hot and can be served with naan and rotis. And potatoes and capsicum are a best combination of vegetable curry recipes. So there are so many versions of preparation. Here I am sharing very easy recipe which goes well with rotis, and already told with the plain rice also. So now we'll see the ingredients required to prepare. Ingredients required are: we need 2 medium potatoes peeled and cubed, and 2 medium capsicum, and 2 small onions, and 1 tomato, and garlic cloves 2 to 3, and cashew 5 to 6, and green chilies 2 depending on your spiciness, and adrak a small piece required. Now coming to spices, we need half tablespoon red chili powder and 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, and 1/4 tablespoon garam masala, and 2 tablespoon coriander leaves finely chopped, and 2 tablespoon oil, and salt to taste, and ilachi 2, lavang 2, and dalchini a small piece we required, and dry mango powder if you like to add, you can add. Now coming to preparation, boil and peel and chop potatoes and keep aside. Make small pieces of potatoes like this and keep aside. Now take your capsicum and dice them and fry in little oil like this, and keep aside. The curry will be prepared easily if you follow this process. And now take tomato chopped, and adrak, and garlic cloves, and cashew, green chilies, and all into mixie grinder, and make to puree. Add chilies according to your spiciness, and then take little oil in pan and add ilachi, lavang, and dalchini, and fry. The aroma will be coming nice. And now add onions and fry till they become transparent. It takes 2 minutes. So done. Now add red chili powder and salt and all spices. Here we adding turmeric powder, coriander powder, and garam masala, and if you like you can add a little dried mango powder and sat well. Now add tomato puree. Now it's time to add tomato puree. So add to the onions and sat well till the oil comes out. You have to cook it. Now add boiled potato pieces and fried capsicum, and stir well. Both are already cooked, so it takes very little time to prepare this dish. So keep lid and cook for 7 to 8 minutes. so that the flavor of tomato purees and all spices will be taken by aloo and capsicum. So take out lid. Now you will be observing the oil will be coming out, so it means it's done. All masala is taken by aloo and capsicum, so it tastes very tasty, a little spicy and a little tangy, and very good with rotis or chapati. So finally add chopped coriander. It gives a very good flavor to the curry. So it's done now. Take into serving bowl and serve. So very easy and very less time taking, very fast cooking recipe. Aloo and capsicum really taste delicious, so try to prepare it, and you can also have it with plain rice also, and goes well with plain parathas also. So try to prepare this and enjoy. So this is for today. I hope you like my video. Keep on watching my videos and like and subscribe.